Barbie Fortesa update for Beauty Empire. Ganda ni Barbie. Sa post ng GMA Public Affairs sabi, Barbie Fortesa, Koreana ang atake sa South Korea. Ibang klase talaga ang face card ni Barbie Fortesa. Yun o. Ibang klase talaga si Barbie. Saka ito pa, aabangan sa Barda. Magpapartner na kaya sila Barbie at David sa GMA Gala 2025. 75 days to go na lang. Yun, inabangan ng Barda. Saka ito pa, tuloy na meet and greet ni David Licauco for Kuya Korea sa SM Clark, Pampanga sa May 25 yan. Yun, at condolence sa family Licauco. At interview kay David.
Nag-usap kami. He's very smart. He knows a lot about life. Kaya the past couple of months talagang I would make sure to really spend time with him. Hawak yung fork. Tapos nakatingin lang siya doon. And super nag-internalize siya. Basically, parang gusto niya sa akin ipakita yung power of the mind niya. And then yun, nag-bend yung fork. Di ba? And as a kid, sobrang wow, amazing yun. Like, kahit until now, sabi ko sa akin paminsan, Lolo, pakita mo naman sa akin. I just realized na if you really put your mind into something and kapag passionate ka dun sa ginagawa mo na yun, talagang ma-achieve mo yun, malayo yung mararating mo. So, yun, he's just an inspiration to me. Na-realize ko rin na itong life na binigay sa atin, hindi siya forever. I mean, alam naman natin yun. So, actually, I think it's better to be nice to everybody, stop the hate, and really just choose peace over like chasing validation and instant gratification, diba? So, like live happily and tell your loved ones you love them.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is with your reaction love. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.